beauties and cuties, it's been a long time that we've done a follow along video, and today it's all about rosy and glowy skin. I will show you a little pinching series massage which you can follow along right away. Just make sure you are just like gently pinching. So you never like tug or pull the skin. This is obviously very important. I cannot stress it enough. And also make sure your hands are clean, your face is sufficiently moisturized, and let's go. So I hope you feel a little bit more dewy and glowy and your face feels warmed up. This technique is amazing to do on a regular basis to give you this glow and also keep your skin a little bit elastic, so to speak. That means if you pinch your skin gently, blood circulation will increase and lymphatic drainage will be enhanced, and so all the good nutrients can run and go in these areas and make you just rosy and glowy for the long run. So with that being said, I hope you liked it and I can't wait to see you in the next video, and I'd be super thankful if you could subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, mwah.